requested to kindly escort the winning candidate to the meeting area where the certificate of election will be presented to the elected candidate. I repeat, I request all the returning officers who have completed the counting of votes and to which the declaration of results are ready. You are requested to kindly escort the winning candidate to the voting area for the declaration of the results and handing over of the certificate. This is the final result for 50 Laban Mokan District Council constituency. The total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Pali Lamse of the DPP 4,194. Shri Uchal Walkar of the UDP 1659. Shri Shamstar Rinja 49 and Shri Ricky Shilai independent candidate 5,217.
Sembur sulai. Tom sembur sulai lah.
Lacau mikir keluar mikir dah.
Roti sulai.
Lacau beli yang tempat coprak nabian, tamsan spa, tamsan spa, entah. Maaf mereka dah lawan kita, sangat ini. Itulah yang berbeda. Sudah mungkin. Kamu nak melihat semua kan? Itu kuatkan. Kapin kau mau kuatkan.
Gila ukra cok supra tiao.
So hanok nongkrong untuk thor nganja
Laban mau peran te job kan nyau.
Oi. Betul.
Benar beres selesai.
Kira masih kan kabut. Sudah melihat semua pelihara. Benar sih kemudian. Mesti dia di tam dulu. Tam spa tam perah.
Korek orang mungkin kali ya.
This is the final result for each Northern District Council constituency. The total votes cast in favor of each candidate are as follows. Shri Kittorlam scheme of the DPP 10,409. Shri Lambar Singh Nongrum of the Indian National Congress 1,281. And Shri Lambar Rangan, independent candidate 8,159. Nota 140.
Atas Pak.
Arajar sispa. Nukrem. Udah ke final dah kita.
Ada final.
Ke final kan?
Tahu lah.
Constituency.
Oi. Hah?
Presiding officer for the
Dirsa.
Autonomous District Council election, constituency number 22, Nongsun Soyong, in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, declared Shri Sanchar Sukarwal Lingga Thaba of Malta village Soyong to have been duly elected from the state constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof, I have granted to him this certificate of election. Thank you.
Yang disebut Bourbon, Ibu Bourbon.
Ikor,
Air kan.
kan, kalau air kaki, kalau dia ambil.
Bác.
Nó một trắng chén.
Yang mana kan? Đây kan apa? Đây kan.
Angan.
Ngim berapa? Hei?
Ngim beli.
Ngim berapa? Mari.
Hek nggak saya hek.
Medium size lah.
Bắt lấy thịt.
Hah? Iya tu. Nah. Sekarang kan?
Mulai.
Ah, mulai udah kelihatan.
Tapi dia.
Tang lupa.
Thịt.
Nukrem.
Nukrem lah.
Nukrem dulu. Tam lupa.
Tam lupa. Jangan ya.
After the fifth round of counting for 16 Northland District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri Alan Victor Lindo 3315, Sri Dusty Lindo Maulong 439, Sri Ferlok Dinath Vangsal 72, Sri Kanya Singh Singh 3373, Sri Winston Tony Lindo 6674,
Roh cara yo. Wah, cara mana? Itu ya.
Ceput pra.
Biar kan.
Nang thamai.
Takut kameranya itu juga ini.
Itu bah.
Takut sendan dah.
Aku tu senang ha. Ini melihat.
After 3 rounds of counting for 14 Million District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Ivan Dublin F. Lindo 7052,
Sebentar.
Sri Mantralam Patyamoy 1655, Sri Paistar Harkamor 2792, Sri Kumbat Jilalu 354, Sri Lalu Mangklao 431,
400
and Muta 166.
Don her batam. Bubut ba arbe sahajar.
William ni suka William.
Lihat.
Ba ya tam di kana kram kan.
Entah.
Dia pek negara ni di kana kram kan. Langut pi kun. Tang arngut alam kram ruai tu.
Mulai lagi.
Kram pi bercuat tam kana kram.
Apa ni ada bentuk lima. Cuma next woman meladek kenjat.
Telong bandayang badan long kamut ni man sini tu. Tang par bandayang tu kena belum tang keren lo panang ra long di sim.
Tempat sulang lalu sim ki badan kan. Yang
Kali bandara mungkin nanti telah kemrai.
Lah kemudian.
Dia sedang teh nang
Presiden lebih kuat lah. Siapa?
Saya lagi ada kumpul sudah nanti sana kong nanti ilek nong kumang badan dia sana kong tu bandara. Ini yang mulai.
Kini lo.
Kata
After the third round of counting for 21 Balam Northern DD District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri George Clarkson, 2,440.
Ini itu kopor sebentar. Wah, bumi itu kopor deh. Kamu
Sri
ini.
Lancaster Malbanyan, 7,660. Sri Martin Lonsa Purba, 2,380. Sri Mohammed Rendra, 1,240.
Nah, seru.
Nota 87.
Kristen pra.
After 2 rounds of counting in Martinborough District Council constituency,
Ibri Kristen
the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Amanda Anita Pantin, 3778. Sri Councillor Mutin, 47. Sri Vilayas Varga, 1454. Sri Kansan Lingxiang, 2699. Sri Segarlam Varga, 7733. Sri Torres, 173. Sri Pichai Gauri, 20. And Nota 53.
Mau kerau sawah jartam.
Dekat sama Soyu, bandar pipi deh. Pipi bara. Mukro di dalam tinggal nyong deh, di tengah pipi deh. Pipi mukro yuk aku ah. Jauh nyus pak kan dah gila.
Saujat news pak kendai putam.
Kan ya apa? Jauh nyus pak. Oi, oi. Hak ada kampurin liam.
Tahan.
Kampurin ada liam.
Liam ha.
Terpera.
Nyat liam. Sirang tu liam.
Ula, ikan liam.
Wah, liam kan. Tu bakal sih tu.
Makan juga. Liam cuma ya. Bentar ni kau roy tu. Itu bisa pak bentar.
Ni ko apa kang wi kan nyat kali. Sarah.
Bisa kita beli. Bisa sini.
Skor.
After round 6 of counting for 12 Northern District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri Anand Kriyan Sakni, 12,117. Sri Bhaskar Malbanyan, 630. Dr. Hussain Champion, 6564. Sri Safin Jose Lamteng that received 109. Sri Srikinda, 5,032. Sri Apurva Sakhar, 88. Sri Daniel Balam, 205. And Nota, 145.
Long kan kembali.
Liam.
After 3 rounds of counting for 6 Sarakhan District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri Bhup Clinton Wankar, 9,999. Sri Elias Karnikeya, 685. Sri Jonathan Singh, 4,991. Sri Joseph H. Edward, 67. Sri Chris Khalsa, 4,271. Sri Assassin Smithson,
Mahmud Bahar 600.
1,227. And Nota
6,000 now.
109. After round 4 of counting for 20 Malwa District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Daniela Nonglak, 25. Sri Edison Karan Noor, 10,899. Sri Vincent Gerard 556, Sri Joseph Kisarni 819, Sri Sivaram Linga number 168, Sri Sivaram Pathal 4709, and Mokara 151.
Belajar.